Hello, I'm Søren from Ucommerce. I wanted to let you know about Ucommerce 9.3, and it has a bunch of awesome stuff that I wanted to let you know about. So it's a nice balanced release with support for new core capabilities, new capabilities for Umbraco, new capabilities for Sitefinity, and new capabilities for Sitecore as well. So we have a nice, good spread of capabilities for this latest review. So the first thing that I'm really excited about is the new content and image picker that we did. So we did everything from scratch onto the new Condo UI. So a nice and smooth workflow to work with picking media from the CMS, picking content from the CMS and adding it onto products and catalogs and things like that. In addition to that, we supported some nice capabilities like selecting, in addition to just being able to select one picture, you can select many, and you can also select entire folders too, which is super handy for scenarios like image galleries, for example. So the CMS really shine there when it comes to the catalog bits. What we also did is for Umbraco, we have these demo stores, the accelerators that we've had for years, and we decided to up the ante on Avenue Clothing for Umbraco. So we're also releasing Avenue Clothing 2, which is a fully updated version of the demo store with new look and feel that's very sort of nice looking and contemporary, really good for demos, really good starting point for solutions. What we did in addition to that is we updated the API usage of the website. So it now uses the Ucommerce 9 API, the Bold API with the search-driven stuff we did for V9 early in the year. So it's super fast and super nice looking. So it'll make for a really beautiful demo for clients. For Sitefinity, we went ahead and invested in doing new widgets or e-commerce widgets for Sitefinity that work on top of Ucommerce. So we have released a Nuget Package, which includes widgets that enable you to build out a catalog flow, a checkout flow, all on top of Ucommerce and Sitefinity. So it should make it easier to build out new experiences. All that is integrated into the Quantum demo site from Progress. So you can have it, spin it up and have a look at it. It can also be used as a vanilla standalone version where you build your entire solution from scratch. It's a really cool addition to the Sitefinity family there. Also for Sitefinity, we have support for Sitefinity Cloud. There were a few modifications we needed to do, but now you can roll out Ucommerce and Sitefinity Cloud with no hiccups at all. And also Sitefinity 13.1 was just released, and of course Ucommerce supports that as well from 9.3. And finally for Sitecore, we spent some time upgrading Avenue Clothing for Sitecore, so the demo store for that. And basically what we did is we have the existing stuff which is based on the Helix architecture principles from Sitecore. That was updated to the V9 API for Ucommerce 9, so now you have search-driven architecture right there in Avenue Clothing for Sitecore, so you have a super snappy e-com experience there. All in all, I think we have a really nice release on our hands. We have the core stuff, we've updated some APIs, cleaned that up a little bit, the new content picker, the new image picker, which makes it super nice to connect content and commerce. We have the new Avenue Clothing store for Umbraco, nice new look and feel, use new APIs for Ucommerce, Sitefinity widgets, Sitefinity 13.1, Sitefinity Cloud, and of course Avenue Clothing for Sitecore, which leverages the new APIs as well. So Ucommerce 9.3 is out. I think you'll be very happy with it. Please provide us feedback on what you think, what you would like us to focus on for the next couple of releases. You can send all that to myself, or you can send it to feedback@ucommerce.net. Just use the email and it'll get right to the product team so we can take a look at what you think. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this next release.